This is page number 38 of the novel A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. Mr. Carton saw Mr. Lorry on his way out the courtroom. How is the young lady, Mr. Lorry? Distressed but better. Mr. Carton also approached the prisoner. He could see the anxiety on the accused's face. You wish to hear Miss Manette? She is much better. I am so glad to hear it. I am sorry to have been the cause of her distress. Could you tell her so for me? I could, I suppose. Please accept my thanks for your ingenious assistance. Carton nodded his head. So, what happened after that? The officer in the court, he has announced that he is going to give his decision in 1 hour. So, Mr. Carton, he asked Mr. Lorry about the health of Miss Manette, and Mr. Lorry had given the answer that she is distressed, but she is better now. Mr. Carton, he approached the prisoner, Charles Tarnay, and he can see that he is very anxious to know about the health of Miss Manette. So Carton informed Charles Tarnay that she is better now. But Charles Tarnay, he he is not happy with the thought because he is thinking that whatever had happened with Miss Manette, it is all because of him. So he said to Sydney Carton that please tell Miss Manette that he feel really very sorry that whatever things were happened to him in the whatever things were happened with her in the courtroom, and he is really sorry for all that things. Sydney Carton has said that yes, possibly I can tell her all these things, that whatever you think about the court case and all that other proceedings. Charles Darnay also pays his due regards to Sydney Carton. He said that please accept my thanks, whatever things you people are doing for me. I am really thankful for all that things. Carton, he just nodded his head. What do you expect, Mr. Tarnay? The worst. So Sydney Carton has asked the question to Charles Tanner that what you are expecting, what kind of judgment you are expecting. And the Diana said the worst. Means he is expecting that they are going to announce punishment for him. An hour and a half passed before the judge came back with his decision. Cruncher had gone to get himself something to eat, and he climbed the steps of the courtroom. He saw Mr. Lorry hurrying towards him. Jerry, take this message back to Tallison's. Mr. Lorry handed Jerry a piece of paper on which it said, "Not guilty." Jerry smiled and looked at Mr. Lorry. If you had sent the message, "Recalled to life again," I would have understood what you meant this time. So the court has announced the judgment in favor of Charles Darnay, and Mr. Lorry had handed a piece of paper to Jerry Cruncher, and the message was written on that not guilty. Jerry collected that message, and now he has said that Mr. Lorry that if this time your message will be recalled to life, I possibly may understand that message. And after that, this scene had over.